Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill oriented training platform. So, as I said earlier, Proxmox is not a hypervisor. Why it's really surprising for you? Because most of the time, whenever we explore our social media platforms, especially YouTube, so we see videos, training videos like Proxmox versus ESXi, Proxmox versus Microsoft Hyper-V, Proxmox versus this and that. So we need to understand the architecture deeply, because whenever we try to explore or we try to deploy any kind of enterprise level project, so we must have to gain detailed knowledge about all the products, all the applications, all the protocols, and all the technologies which are directly related with IT operations and data center. So same goes for Proxmox. Whenever I want to explore more about the Proxmox via ChatGPT or DeepSeek, or even when I visit the official Proxmox website, so they clearly mention that Proxmox is not a hypervisor. Proxmox is basically a virtualization management platform. With the help of this platform, you can perform lots of management, implementation, deployment, monitoring, and all tasks which are directly related with the virtualization technology. Whenever you are going to deploy any open source virtualization platform and you want to implement advanced level features on that hypervisor, so with the help of Proxmox, you can perform all these kinds of activities. So now at last, the important question, where is Proxmox? So now these four components or four layers of management available in our data center. But we are missing something really important whenever we talk about the enterprise level virtualization platform. All these four applications can perform basic functionalities regarding the hypervisor. But if we talk about the advanced level features, these advanced level features are generally not available with all these four applications on the platform of open source hypervisor. Now, in this case, we need a platform which will be capable to perform all these kinds of functionalities for our hypervisor. And now it's time to come and introduce Proxmox. So with the help of Proxmox, we can perform lots of tasks, lots of activities regarding the enterprise level hypervisor. Number one, if we want to do live migration from one host to another host, it's not possible with all these four components, which is generally under the shelter of hypervisor of the open source application. So if I have two hosts and I want to migrate my virtual machine from this host to this host, so for that purpose we need a tool which have the capacity, which have the capability to perform live migration, and for that purpose Proxmox is really suitable. Proxmox provide these kinds of enterprise level features. Now if we move forward and if we want to create a cluster, let's suppose I have three host machines inside my data center and I want to create a cluster, a virtualization cluster with the help of these three host machines for providing fault tolerance and high availability. So the clustering feature is also not available with basic KVM. Now KVM, Camo, libvirt, Word Manager is available. And if I place Proxmox over it, so with the help of this Proxmox technology, I can easily create clusters inside my data center for providing high availability and fault tolerance. And if I move forward and want to explore more features about the Proxmox, so yes, if I have a kind of virtualization platform which are using VMware ESXi, and I want to import all machines inside the open source hypervisor, so again, Proxmox can perform this activity more commonly and in a more easy way. Now if I move forward and want to create a software defined storage, so again, Proxmox can help me a lot. And in the same manner, CDN and other advanced level features and functionalities regarding the hypervisor, or you can say virtualization platform. And uh, if I move forward and want to learn more about the Proxmox, so with the help of this Proxmox, we can also implement containerization technology inside our open source operating system, because now I have a complete platform for virtualization. I have KVM, libvirt, virt manager, all the basic, or you can say fundamental features regarding the virtualization. And now if I want to create containers on the platform of Linux, so with the help of Proxmox, I can easily deploy all kinds of containers for my databases, for my domain services, for my web hosting services, and all other services which are generally operational in our on-prem data center. So these are the advanced level features which generally provide by Proxmox, and that is the reason why I said that Proxmox is not a hypervisor. It's basically a virtualization management platform. Whenever you have a hypervisor, and on behalf of that hypervisor you want to implement all kinds of enterprise level features which we just discussed earlier, so Proxmox is a very suitable and enterprise level features which you can easily implement inside your on-prem data center. So I hope that now the concept about the hypervisor and the management platform is completely clear. If you have any questions, if you have any queries regarding the Proxmox, KVM, or any other option which we just discussed, so you can give us feedback via email and also comment in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will wait for your feedback and your productive suggestions as well. Thank you very much.